Smasher. So, this is my auntie's cat. She just put it on its leash because we will feed him first. Cat Smasher. Cat Smasher. And in the afternoon, we remove his leash and he's off to his cat duty places. I'm not really sure. And this cat comes back in the evening and goes back to its like apartment there. It's apartment. Cat Smasher. No, he's trying to play the dinosaur. This cat is doing some cat things. Oh no. Cat Smasher. Oh, so. Cat Smasher. I call it Cat Smasher. My auntie calls it Muning. Okay, it's trying the nunchucks. We're waiting for his food, and after that we will remove his leash and he will go do his cat duties here in our beautiful Baguio City. Cat Smasher. Cat Smasher.